All right, so we're in the paint booth now, and one of my famous actors that's in a lot of the videos. This is that dairyqueen. He's taping up this side.
Yeah,
so
it is the same guy. The guy that was doing the vinyl, that was doing the neon.
Yeah, and the applicator table.
Yeah, that's the same guy.
So he cleaned off the powder that was on it, and now he's just taping up the face.
Down and flip it
back.
To do the back side work.
You gotta come out here? Oh. Oh, right where I'm going? Or where I'm at, I mean? So he's our painter. He does a lot here. He's the painter, vinyl guy, neon guy. He's actually our main neon guy right here. I think he's one of the best employees we got. I think you're the best damn employee we have. Most versatile. So that's a 10-foot dairyqueen face.
There it is.
So
This is the part that's going to get sprayed.
yeah.
The clear face with the paint.
How many layers? How many? Yeah. What's first?
First, they're going to spray the latex mask.
Okay. And then you'll cut it out.
Let that dry overnight.
Yeah.
Tomorrow, I cut it with the Exacto.
By hand.
Hand cut.
Yeah.
Letters.
So he sprays it with a trans. What do you call it? A spray lat. Is it spray lat? What are we using?
It comes out of a
Yeah.
bucket like this.
Some of you sign guys know what spray lat is.
It comes out of a bucket like this.
And then you spray it. Then you actually hand carve it.
This is actually a dry.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's what it'll
Turns into a rubber mask. So basically, he'll go in there and hand cut each of these embossed areas where the edges are, and paint his color. Then he'll go to the next step, and so on. So we'll continue on when he starts painting this one. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
So you can see the face is nice and clean, shiny. I don't want to go too far in here and kick up any dirt, but he's going to spray the spray lat on now, the strip spray lat. So, all right. Now he's mixing up the spray lat. Don't we call this stripper too? What do we call this?
Sign strip.
Yeah, sign strip. That's what I said before, but I forgot if that's the exact what we called it. So he's mixing it up, and he's going to spray it on there. You're what?
We are ready to rumble.
We're ready to rumble?
Ready to rumble. Get my mask
He's
on.
in his Bezos spacesuit, ready to go.
Yep. I got this from Bezos.
Well, we're going to get advertising money for that.
Bezos.
Yeah.
Promoter.
J. Bezos.
Bezos. Bezos. You know what that means in Spanish?
What?
Kisses.
Nice.
Bezos.
He just kissed space, didn't he? Today. He's got his proper gear on, all the way down to his feet. There he goes. He's going to spray. We have a lot of fun here. Scoops it right into his gun tank. He's been doing this over 30 years. Over 40 years. I don't even know. He's been a neon blower forever. My favorite guy here. Got a few favorite guys here. Just paint it on. You gotta let it dry overnight. What I do during my lunch break. Give it up to people. fancy with this bending. Got to get in those grooves where the embossing is. Because like I said, he's going to let this dry till tomorrow. And he's going to go in with an X-Acto knife around the embossing and hand cut all that. Second surface paint job on this. Like most clear faces are. We do Road Rangers, we do them with vinyl, sometimes inside, second surface, sometimes first surface. Oh, I'm gonna end it now here. So first layer he's putting down now, and you can see he trimmed it around the letters. And he's putting glue down. First layer of blue. But he hand cut around all the letters, so that's the blue on the dairyqueen logo and around. Blue is layered. So blue is done. Now he's going to peel the mask and work on the next color. So the mask is pulled off. This is a blue and white pill. He's going to paint white. He's going to spray white where he pulled the rest of that mask off after the blue. Actually, white's going to be the whole way. Sorry. White will fill in those areas, but it's the whole back up will be white. That, and I'll come back to it when it's all white. We'll let him finish that bottom part. He's going to do several coats. The camera's not really picking it up because of the light behind it. It's reflecting through, transferring through. If you're a painter, then you know there's reasons why you would go back and forth different directions. Alright, so he's done with that white base, or what we call it, the final, what would we call that?
Coated with white.
Backed up?
Back spray.
Back spray? Okay. I'm going to call it back
That's
spray.
what it looks like on the face.
Now it's lit, so this is the lit sign, so yeah.
Get a good look at what the front looks like.
He's peeling off the mask in the front so he can see what it would look like. And this is all going to get trimmed for the size of the cabinet when they start making the cabinet.
This is the face.
Yeah. Yeah. And then you got the white all the way up through the embossing.
So you can come in on a Friday and collect your check.
embossing. He cut. This is how he cut it.
I know.
He cut it all around these embossing levels.
Right?